Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between TradingView or Trade Ideas. And in today's video I want to make two things clear, because the first thing is I won't tell you which one is better, I will tell you which one fits you the best. The second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto options, futures, settings, brokers, whatever you can think, I created that. And I will tell you with my experiences on both applications which fit you the best. So let's start right here with a 5-topic quick summary. And I want to start right here with the main focus. And the main focus on TradingView is charting and technical analysis. On Trade Ideas, it's more about AI-powered stock scanning. Then if you go right here to best for, and with that I mean TradingView is the best for traders and investors, and Trade Ideas is the best for active stock traders. Then if you look to trading tools, TradingView has the industry leading charts. And seriously, you can see it on the left, the charts on TradingView are great. If you look right here to Trade Ideas, it's also great, but it's more advanced scanners and has more AI. If you look to the interface of both applications, TradingView is modern and intuitive, and Trade Ideas is more data focused. If we go right here to fees and trading costs, TradingView has lower subscription costs and Trade Idea has higher subscription costs. So if you're asking me, many active stock traders use TradingView just to do charting, alerts and technical analysis, and Trade Ideas for finding high probability stock setups. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which one fits you the best. So hopefully this was also the video where I was looking for. And then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.